DNA. Hello, this is a cell. A human has trillions of cells. There are many different types. A neuron is a brain cell. A skeletal mycocyte is a skeletal muscle cell. Osteocyte is a bone cell. Cone cells are in your eyes. Taste receptor cells are your taste buds. A keratinocyte is a skin cell. Each type is responsible for doing different things. A cone cell says, I help you to see. A skeletal mycocyte says, I help make your muscles. An osteocyte says, I help make your bones. A keratinocyte says, I help heal your cuts. A neuron says, I help you to learn. A taste receptor cells says, I help you taste your food. But how does a cell know what to do? It needs instructions. Where's my manual? A cell's instructions are called genes. They are made of a long molecule called DNA and are safely stored in the nucleus of the cell. DNA is short for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is made of 4 different molecules called nucleotides: cytosine, adenine, thymine, and guanine. We read groups of words for instructions, but cells read groups of nucleotides. 2 strands of DNA come together and twist into a shape called a double helix. Can you twist your arms together like a double helix? This helps keep our genes safe and allows cells to pack lots of DNA in a tiny, tiny place. When a cell needs to make something, it searches for the special gene with the right instructions. This cell needs to make something that will help you move your body. It is a protein called myosin. Let's help it. The gene for myosin is in the nucleus of this cell. Can you find the nucleus? Push the nucleus to see inside. Whoa, it looks like a bowl of spaghetti in here. DNA is packed very tightly to make sure all those instructions fit inside the cell. Tap the gene for myosin 1 time to open it up. Tap, tap. Almost there. DNA also needs to be organized so our cells can find the right instructions. Can you tap the DNA very gently 2 times? You found the gene for myosin. Thank you. Do you see the double helix? With the help of proteins, the cell can now start reading the instructions. You have the double helix and the proteins say, let's get started. Each group of nucleotides codes for a part of myosin. Lots of myosins team up in the myocyte to help you move. Let's test how well your cells found the DNA. Can you wiggle? Can you dance? It works. Great. You would make an excellent scientist. Maybe you can study DNA one day. The end.